Today is February 18th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with the Ark Innovation ETF. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. The only sale that I've made since last Wednesday was I sold half of my position in CRISPR Therapeutics. It had a couple days in a row of pretty big gains, and when that happens, I usually like to take some profits off the table and kind of let a resistance level build before I'd buy more. On Friday, I decided to open up 3 new positions. I put 3% of my entire portfolio into Airbnb, 3% into Lemonade, and another 3% into SoFi. Overall, I like these companies, and I think they should do pretty well over the next couple weeks. I might even go ahead and sell out of some of my other positions in order for me to be able to buy more of these. So these are all my open positions. Right now, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Nvidia make out my top 5, and those account for just below 39% of my entire portfolio. Right now, I have 20 open positions, which is more than I like to have. I'm probably going to end up selling out of Walmart, General Dynamics, and Home Depot, and then sit on that cash and decide where to invest it. I don't really like to have too many open positions because I feel like you're just painting with a broad brush. I like to have a more condensed portfolio of around 10 to 15 open positions. So if I sold those 3 that I just mentioned, that would put me at 17, which is still more than I want to be at. It's also harder to keep track of the news when you have 20 open positions. It's a lot easier just to focus heavily on 10 to 15, or at least that's what I found in my experience. So right now, I'm 95.87% fully invested with 4.13% sitting in cash. Once I sell out of Walmart, Home Depot, and General Dynamics, that'll generate some extra money. And then I'm going to go ahead and decide what stocks I want to further my positions in. So since Wednesday, my portfolio grew 1.37%. The S&P 500 saw a gain of 1.04%, and the Ark Innovation ETF grew by 5.12%, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a 9.03% gain. The S&P 500 currently has a gain of 5.54%, and the Ark Innovation ETF on the year has a loss of 0.34%. That's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.